guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do CNC programming tutorial videos for whole mag and wiki CNC machines using Fusion 360. Okay, so let me show you how I program this part in Fusion 360. Okay, so as you saw in the beginning of the video, I was machining two parts at a time. My vacuum pads were able to hold down both parts without any problems. Okay, I'm gonna start from scratch. So I'm gonna delete this setup, right click, delete. Okay, and I'm gonna create a new setup. So I'm gonna go up here where it says setup. And my WCS is gonna be right there. Okay. So I'm not doing anything else. The model, this is body right here. Okay. The next tab is the stock. I'm not adding any material. Post process is the last tab. I'm gonna name the program size. Okay, and where it says program comment, I'm gonna type 9mm 2 flute down cut. That's the angle that I was using when I was machining this part. Okay, I'm gonna click OK. Now my setup has been created. Next, I'm gonna machine these slots. Okay, so I got 5. All right. I'm gonna use 2D pocket. Okay, I'm gonna go up here under the 2D menu. I'm gonna select 2D pocket, and I'm gonna select the tool. I'm gonna select the 9mm 46204 Amana 2 flute down cut. All right, I'm gonna select this guy, and I'm gonna change the cutting feed rate from 10 meters per minute to 6. That's the feed rate that I was running the machine at. Okay, and the RPM was 16,000 RPM. I didn't want to go that fast because I didn't want the parts to move. All right, so 6 meters per minute was good for me. Okay, the next tab is the geometry. So I'm gonna select the slots that are gonna be machined. So I'm gonna select this profile right here at the bottom. This one, this one, this one, and this one right there. Okay. The next tab is the height. I'm gonna go down to where it says bottom height, and where it says offset, I'm gonna type 2. I was leaving 2mm of material. I didn't want to cut through the vacuum pots. Okay. The next tab is passes, and I'm gonna change the tolerance to 0.2mm. Okay. Sideways compensation is always set to left, and where it says preserve order, I'm gonna check that. So the machine is gonna start from here, from where I selected the profiles. It's gonna start from here, and then it's gonna go all the way down to the last one. Okay. And the maximum step over is 6mm. Smoothing deviation, I'm gonna change that to 0.2mm. And the multiple depths, that's checked. It was 4mm. I'm gonna change the finishing step down to 4 as well. Okay, and where it says use even step downs, that's checked. And that's it for passes. So the last tab is the linking tab, and where it says ramp type, it was zigzag. Ramping angle was 2 degrees, and that's it. So I'm gonna click OK to generate the toolpath. I'm gonna right click, simulate. Slow down a bit so you can see that. See it's doing the zigzag ramp. Okay. It's leaving 2 millimeters of material. Okay, so that looks good. Next, I'm gonna mirror this toolpath. Okay, because I was running two parts at a time, as you saw in the beginning of the video. So I'm gonna use the pattern feature, which is up here, right here in the setup menu. So I'm gonna select pattern, and the pattern type that I was using is mirror pattern. Okay. Now it's asking me to select the mirror plane. So I'm gonna rotate the model, and I'm gonna select this face right there. Okay. And boom, there you have it. Okay. So see the toolpath has been mirrored. Okay. And under operation order, I'm gonna change that to preserve order. Okay. So it's gonna start from here, and it's gonna continue down, and then the machine's gonna retract, come back, and start machining here, machining the second part. Okay, and then it's gonna continue down, and it's gonna retract here, right here. This is where it's gonna finish. Okay, and that's it right here. Okay, so I'm gonna click OK, and there's my pattern toolpath. All right, now I'm gonna right click and simulate. So it's starting right here. Slow it down a bit. Then the machine is going to retract, and then it's going to come back here to the second part and start machining. Okay, right there. I'm going to turn on the toolpath right here, which is toolpath. So you see the toolpath. Okay. You see the links, the leads and leads out. You see the cutting motions. You see the show. You see the points. Okay. I'm zooming. Okay. That's it. So I'm gonna close this simulation. Okay. Now I'm gonna right click on setup and post process the program. Okay. I'm gonna post process. Okay, yeah, I want to overwrite it. And I'm going to go to Woodwop, which is the CAD/CAM software that the machine has at work. So I'm going to go to Woodwop 5.0 right here. And I'm going to open up the program. So I'm going to go to File, Open. Okay, I'm going to look for that folder. And that's the program right there. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. And there you have it. Okay, so you're going to have 10 routing macros. Okay, that's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's the program, guys. Okay, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something from it and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.